Did you notice the scene where the Light Fury actually blasts Hiccup into the air? But why would she do that? When the Light Fury first encountered Toothless, the spark was instant, but as soon as Hiccup and Astrid appeared, she panicked. Being a wild dragon, she didn't trust humans. Toothless tried to calm her, but she fled. Later, as Hiccup and the tribe journeyed west in search of the hidden world, the Light Fury secretly followed them. She believed Hiccup was keeping Toothless from his freedom, so when the chance came, she attacked, launching Hiccup skyward to break that bond. But here's the twist. Toothless didn't fly away with her. Instead, he chose to rescue Hiccup. That's the moment the Light Fury realized he wasn't being forced. He was staying by choice. From then on, she no longer saw Hiccup as an enemy. That night, she met Toothless again, not to escape, but to connect. So what do you think the Light Fury's real intention was? Let me know in the comments.